It will help me to explain this command by turning on the observation numbers, which is what I've done. I've gone into CAD-Pro Best Fit Baseline, and the default option is to select individual points, which is what I'm doing. Of course, we have the mode options available to us, so if the points lie along an existing link, then you can select one of the string modes. As soon as I hit escape, or the escape button in the lower right hand corner, it will calculate a best fit line through all of those selected points. And you'll now see why I turned on the point numbers, because the observation numbers are listed here, together with their eastings, northings, level, and their offset from that best fit line. And we can see that point number 806, which is this one here, and point number 812 and 14, which are these points here, are the ones which deviate more from the baseline than any others. We can of course deselect individual points, and the best fit line will be recalculated through the remaining points. Having deselected the main outliers, we can choose just to move those deselected objects onto that best fit line. But what would normally happen is that you would select all, and you would move those selected observations onto that best fit line, thereby creating a straight line. It is telling us that the maximum deviation from that best fit line is for point number 814, and it is 27 millimeters. As soon as we select OK, those points will be snapped onto that best fit line. And if we're dealing with radial observations, that is angle and distance survey data, then we will retain the angle and distance information together with the link to the surveyed station, but these points will be flagged as amended in the database. It does mean though that if any station setup information or station details or target heights were changed, these points would still move with those changes. The alternative method for selecting points for the best fit baseline command is using the selection filter. And I'm going to use a polygon. Another subtlety here is that if you select a specific link feature, then even if other link features fall within the selection criteria that you've chosen, such as a polygon or a rectangle, then it will only be the link features or point features that you've defined in this section of the selection filter. Once we're happy with the selection, we choose Finish, and we see the report that we had the first time when we selected the points manually.